Assalamu alaikum all. How are you? I hope you all doing well. I am your teacher, Ms. Jazba Khurram from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan Johar campus. As you all know that I am your grade 3 teacher and this is your science recorded class. The chapter that we were currently discussing was growth and development. It's the chapter 3rd of your science book. It is on page number 10. Now, for that you have to take out your smart science for grade 3. Now open page number 10. We have discussed two things in it. First, I tell you the concept of what living things and non-living things are, how the growth and development takes place in them, and then we discuss about the germination and growing of a plant. The first thing that we discussed was that all living things, plants and animals go through a life cycle. Plants grow from seeds, whereas animals and human beings have babies. Now germination is and growing of a plant. This was the topic that we discussed in our live session, and what we discussed was that a seed depends on 4 factors. Yes, a seed depends on 4 factors which help it to grow. Now what were those 4 factors? Those 4 factors were water, soil, light and air. These factors all together work so that a plant takes place. This is how a growth of a plant takes place. Sun brings warmth, गर्माहट मिलती है सन से and light मिलती है. Sun is the main source of energy for the plants. Sun brings warmth and light, water brings moisture, and air is present in the surroundings which all living things breathe in. Soil is essential as plants grow in it. Now another thing that we discussed was that how we plant seed and how does the germination process took place. Now when the seed absorbs water, it swells. जब हम seed को plant करते हैं, उसको water के अंदर डालते हैं, तो वो swelling start हो जाती है, वो swell करना start हो जाता है, and then it goes, seed का जो coat होता है, उसके ऊपर outer जो layer होती है, वो burst कर जाती है, मतलब वो फट जाती है, and small plant जो होता है उसमें से निकलता है. The small plant emerges out, that is called the seedling, and this process is called germination. Plant life starts with the seed, with germination, which germinates and grows into a plant. The fully grown plant produces flowers, the flowers produces fruits containing seeds or seed pods. Now, the process of germination क्या है? Process of germination is actually in simple word is the process of seeds growing into plants. यानी जब plant में से seed grow करता है वो germination का process कहलाता है. Now here are some keywords that you can see on your screen. We are going to discuss these points. Like the first one is growth. What is growth? Growth means किसी भी चीज़ का बढ़ना. Means if the things is growing, like us human beings, our plants, our animals, if they are growing, means they are getting bigger in the size. Means वो बढ़ रहे हैं. So growth is that. Development means किसी भी चीज़ का दूसरी चीज़ पे बढ़ जाना, तरक्की हो जाना किसी भी चीज़ का. So that is the process of development. Number 3 is germination. Now what is germination? Like I told you before, that the seed, when seed bursts out and it grows into a plant, that process is known as germination. Emerges means that किसी भी चीज़ का दूसरी चीज़ में से निकल के आना. Pollen is a yellow dusty substance produced by plants. Transfer, किसी भी एक चीज़ का दूसरी चीज़ पे ले जाने को ट्रांसफर बोलते हैं. Reproductive, it means that a thing can grow out of it. अगर प्लांट है, प्लांट के अंदर flower में it has seeds, so we can use that seeds for the reproduction, means उसी plant में से एक और plant grow कर सकते हैं. So that is reproductive. Fertilization. Fertilization is the process on which we put the soil. On the soil में हम plant grow करेंगे, then in process that whole process of growing of a plant in the soil, and the soil के अंदर जो हम proper वो उसको खोदेंगे, सब कुछ करेंगे, that is known as fertilization. Now this is the picture of a life cycle of a corn plant, which is our topic of today. This is a seed. This is a corn seed which is known as kernel. This is known as kernel. And after this it goes into the process of germination, means the seed has burst and it is burst into and it has burst, और burst होने के बाद इसके अंदर क्या हो गया, इसमें से leaves आना शुरू हो गए. So that is germination. Now what is sprout? Sprout, as you can see here in the picture as well, that small is a small growth of a plant, means एक छोटी सी growth जब plant की हो जाती है तो that is known as sprout, means a little new bud or any kind of a leaves coming out of it, means that it's a sprout. ये sprout होता है. After this the seedling comes. Seedling के बाद the flower, and after flower the plant with fruit, and finally we get the proper corn. Now we will discuss this topic in detail as well, the life cycle of a corn plant. Now corn is a crop used as a cereal. Corn is an important crop used as a cereal. It belongs to the grass family. Cereal means a grain used for food, like खाने के लिए हम use करते हैं, जैसे हम लोग wheat, we use wheat. Wheat is in the form of आटा, in the form of flour, हम लोग खाते हैं. तो corn means एक crop जिसको हम खाते हैं, we use it as food. We all love to eat corns, right? So corn is an important crop used as a cereal and it belongs to the grass family. ये grass family से belong करता है. Now let's just discuss the stages of a corn. These are the stages or life cycle of a corn. The corn seed is called kernel. This corn seed is known as kernel. When the seed is planted, it germinates and produces small leaves that look like grass. जब हम लोग seed को plant करते हैं, like you can see that this is a soil. If we are planting seeds in the soil and we are watering it, it will burst out and small leaves will come out of it, means it is germinating. Germinate हो गया, उसमें से small leaves निकलना start हो गए, that means it looks like a grass. Then the stem stalk begins to grow with a lot of leaves. Now what is a stem? This whole line that is going upward, जिसमें से सारी पूरी इसकी base है line की, this is called the stem, or you can say stalk as well. Roots are underground. Roots underground होती हैं जो उसको मजबूत करती हैं, so that plant can stand strong like this, and then leaves begins to grow out of it. You can see a lot of leaves over here as well. Then a corn ear grows. Now what is a corn ear? You must be wondering that what is a corn ear? Corn ear grow करता है. Then the plant has male and female part on the same side. The plant के अंदर भी male and female part होते हैं. Now what is a corn ear? The ear is a spike part of a corn plant that contains kernel. Means kernel क्या है? Kernel is this one. इसके अंदर जो ये पूरा पार्ट है, this is known as corn ear. The corn ear grow करता है and male and female part जो होते हैं वो भी same जगह होते हैं. Like we as humans have male and female part, animals have male and female in it, and so similarly plants have male and female parts as well. And this plant has same male and female part होते हैं same plant में. Now what happens next is that the pollen transfer from male to the female part. पॉलन क्या होता है? पॉलन इज द येलो डस्टी पार्टिकल दैट इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द प्लांट। वो ट्रांसफर करता है, यानी वो मेल से लेके फीमेल पार्ट पे चला जाता है। दैट पॉलन ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम द मेल टू द फीमेल पार्ट। Seeds are formed after fertilization from which new plants grow. Then उसमें से seed form होते हैं fertilization के बाद, जिसमें से new plants जो होते हैं grow करते हैं। So क्या हमने पढ़ा इसमें? that fertilization हुई और उसमें से new plants grow करा। Again I will tell you that what is fertilization. Fertilization is the action or process of applying a fertilizer to soil or land. And उसका जो process होता है, like the process of combining the male and female में से जो उसका transfer हो जाता है, like अभी आपका pollen transfer हुआ from male to the female part, तो fertilization took place. And उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Out of it new seeds form हुए। न्यू सीड्स फॉर्म हुए फर्टिलाइजेशन के बाद, तो वो जो है न्यू प्लांट ग्रो करेगा उसमें से। दिस इज नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक, इट्स अ वेरी इजी वन। दैट्स व्हाई आई ट्राई टू बी बाइलिंगुअल इन दिस, सो दैट अगर आपको कोई वर्ड डिफिकल्ट लगे, सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट इन बोथ लैंग्वेजेस। This is how a cornfield looks. Here you can see this is how a cornfield actually looks. You can see the corns over here, the leaves. It belongs to the grass family, as you can see, and this is how a cornfield look like. We have already discussed about cornfield in our chapter Dorothy meets the scarecrow as well. You must know that the scarecrow was standing in the field of a cornfield, right? So this is the similar cornfield that we were discussing in our that chapter as well, and today we discuss about how a cornfield and how the life cycle of a corn plant takes place. You must have ate the corn and to eat it, but now we have discussed it in the video as well. Again I will tell you that seed is planted under the ground, then germination takes place. After germination, the sprout, then seedling, and then flowers to plants with fruit, and then a proper corn is formed. This is called the process of corn. I hope you all like this lecture very much as I liked it. You must have find it interesting. I find it interesting too. Good luck to you all, and we will meet in our next lecture with new topic. I hope you like this, and Allah Hafiz.